feeling lost in a sea of tasks every morning? Let's transform the chaos into calm using Basecamp. First, access your Basecamp account and navigate to the specific project you'll be focusing on today. Now, head over to the Todos section. This is where you'll find all your assigned tasks. Take a quick look at all of them. It's important. Prioritize your tasks by dragging and dropping them into the order you want to tackle them. Consider which tasks are most urgent and impact the overall project timeline. Then, assign tasks to yourself if needed, and make sure the due dates are accurate. Next, utilize the calendar feature to block out specific time slots for each task. This is your time blocking strategy. Click on an empty slot in the calendar, enter the task name, and adjust the start and end times. This gives you a visual schedule for the day. Finally, check the campfire or messages section for any new updates or discussions related to your tasks. Make sure to respond quickly and clearly to keep communication smooth. That's it. You've successfully set your day off on Basecamp. With time blocking, proper task assignment, and up-to-date scheduling, you can stay on top of your responsibilities, stay organized, and make it happen.